For chatting, open up the tab Chat on the left side, and once you click that, you will see your own inbox. So this is your own channel. What happens is that when people are having conversations with the bot, they will be coming to a queue called inbox. So just click on that, and currently you see there are no conversations, and this is easy to try. So either open up the URL of your chatbot that's provided in the flow editor, or just open up the bot on the bottom right corner, and immediately you can see that there is one active chat. It's indicated with just a pseudonym name, and it's in bright colors, so it's easy for you to see if new active chats pop up. Also, when you are accepting chats, make sure that this button is blue. When you don't want to accept chats, click on it and it will turn gray. And in that case, no chats will be forwarded to you as an agent. So now in the inbox, I am looking at the chat that the bot is having, and I can see that when I click on it, I can see what the bot has said, information it has provided. It also gives me information about the chat ID. I can use it later for searching for in the reports or archive, and then the name, the browser, the IP, and that type of information. So if I am a user and I am chatting with the bot, then all my conversations are coming here. So when I say hi, the bot says hi. I can ask the bot, let's say, who are you? And then the bot will give me an answer. Now, to channel this to actual chat, the user has to indicate so. So let's say the user is saying talk to human, or maybe it's clicking on the contact button in the menu. And once they send that, then the contact form is triggered, and the bot here is asking you, do you want me to forward your conversation to customer service? And I have various options, but here I'm going to say talk to live agent. Now, once I press that, the bot will see that agents are currently live because I'm accepting chats, and it's moving the conversation from the inbox queue. So there's no longer an active bot to customer conversation, and instead, in my own personal queue, I can see a new active chat. You heard the visual cue. It says that, hey, you have an active chat you need to respond to. Now, when I click on it, I can see that this is a chat that the bot has given to me. I can scroll up and see the whole history of the chat that the customer has had with the bot. So this is very helpful because I can see what was the conversation between the customer and the bot, what kind of questions they had. So the customer does not need to repeat itself anymore. And now we also provide the automated message. So in the chat window, it says there's the agent name, which will be taken automatically from your username, and then automatic questions is hi, how can we help you? And now if I am a user customer, then I can say I need help with pricing. And once you do that, then you can also see in the chat that what is the customer, what are they writing before they have sent anything. So you can already, as an agent here, like what they're going to write, and maybe you can find out that information quicker. And once I send it, then I can see it here as an agent. Okay, they need some help with the pricing. And so with that, what I can do is that no problem, I will give you the link, right? So what I can do is I can just reply back, and then as a customer, I am seeing this message. What's also really cool is that while the AI is out of the picture in replying directly to the customer, you can also see the AI working with suggested answers. So this is essentially co-pilot mode, which means that the AI is not responding directly to the customer, but is listening in on what the customer is saying. So if here the customer said, I need help with pricing, then on the suggested answers, the AI is saying with 47% confidence that, hey, agent, you should be actually using this answer because this is what the customer is asking for, right? And in this case, it actually is about the pricing. So with one click, I can just click on the answer, and then I can just send that to the customer. And then as a customer, what I will see is that, oh, I'm getting an information about pricing, the cost, and any information that's related to it. And this information is coming from the flow editor topic called pricing, where I have specified this. So even though the bot is not directly helping the customer, it's working as in agent assist mode and giving information about how to help the customer and make the agents work a lot faster. Also, what I can see here is I can add comments. So let's say the customer is asking about pricing. So I'm just going to add a comment here. And now what I can do is, if I want to reassign it to anybody else, let's say there are other agents here as well, I can reassign it to somebody else. And now once it's being reassigned, that agent will also see the comment here as well. So they will know, let's say, some context about it, but the customer is not seeing this comment. And if I'm an agent, then I can also use saved replies. So I can add here templates and use them with one click. So then I can just send that to the customers if they want to have it, and it's saving up my time considerably. And you can also add attachment as well, both from the customer and the agent side. The tags are here for you if you want to just add tags so that you will use it for later for analytics. And the notes are for yourself if you maybe need to write something down and then go to other applications, bring up that information and do that. And the chats are triggered to be automatically closed after a certain amount of minutes. However, if I want to, as an agent, I can also close this ticket myself as well, and the conversation will no longer be active.